What's going on, guys? This is a Denago Nomad, and if you have an issue with you hear a squeak in the roof area when you're driving it, to test it out, just grab one of the handles and just yank it back and forth and see where, so you can listen closely. It may be coming up in here, it may be on the back side of the strut area. Just listen carefully and you'll be able to hear where the squeak is coming from. And on this one, the metal from the strut right here was touching the metal of the railing. So what you need to do is just loosen these two bolts. I believe they're 12 millimeter. Loosen them all the way off. Then it'll separate a little bit. You can put you some little foam tape, one-sided foam tape. Just put it in between the two pieces of metal. Then put it back together and shake it again and see if you hear anything. And if you don't, that's probably the fix. And it may vary the exact location, but just shaking it by hand will help you pinpoint the exact area. But sometimes when it's touching metal to metal, it may squeak a little bit when you're driving. Check out our channel. We got all other videos about Denagos and club cars and stars, all kinds of golf carts and other cool stuff on our channel. So check it out. And if our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen and feel free to send a donation. We appreciate it. You'll have a great day.